Hi there. I recently get a news of from Fiverr. My client faced some cookie consent related issue and also faced tracking related issue. Today I complete my client project I delivery and she give a good review with tips and how to solve my client problem and how to configure cookie consent related problem. Today I full explain step by step. Now get start. This is my client GTM container. My client already this types of stacks already creates some times ago, but this tag is not proper configure and don't work in the proper condition. Then I create a new tag and proper way. Also, my client face some pixel related tracking issue, and I also solve my client pixel related tracking issue. My client already create a existing data set and all region data store a pixel, but I suggest my client another data set use another location purpose because my client seven region business owner my same business she give another region and same service provide another country. This is my suggest another site location type pixel because another data store is another site is marketing commission very good and this is container I already create and I already this container this tag is debug view and also come in data in Google and Analytics 4 and this data come in Google and Analytics 4 and also this data come in Facebook event manager. My client website life and my client website mostly heavy user then reason all data stored in new data set. I also debug view mode get debug view mode and debug view mode tag constantly fire and this data move in GA4 and this GA4 already hit this event and also consent already granted this event this event purpose already granted and I also this event move to Facebook pixel and Facebook pixel already show all event and I also create a new data layer because my client use another types of data layer as this data layer miss event and cannot throw the event in Google Analytics 4 and Google Facebook Pixel. But I create a new data layer my client attach this data layer my client side and also this data layer push all event like page view item add to cart being checkout all e-commerce event push also push my consent and consent also granted all event event purpose. This is event I already fired and also consent is granted this side and I also create another event this event I also create a view content event and view content event uh, and view content event also fire this is the view item right view item event and view item tag also fire and view item data push Google Analytics and also use Facebook made pixel and all event parameters like view content type value currency item name item variant category all cookies FBC FBP all parameter also push this event site this data show proper in Google Analytics 4 and Google Analytics 4 and also show all event parameter like value page title page referral page location currency session ID all parameter push the coming in Google coming with this is coming through GTM and also fix my client consent related problem and consent also so excellent and no another issue and no another bug. I don't find this site and also my as a bonus tip I already create a reporting section and report part because my client don't get any decision for your business purpose but this service I already provide a free uh, I create a custom segment and custom report this report purpose my client get a decision for your for this business how to recover your business and how to solve your business and how to grow your business in a future. My client problem are already solved and if you face same related consolidated problem if you face same related tracking related problem feel free to reach out me I always assist you. Thank you.